Okay, welcome again to my channel. Today is my birthday and I'll be doing a Escovitch kingfish, otherwise known as king mackerel. Looking beautiful. Looks so wonderful, all those slices. Okay, now the pot is on, Dutch pot, and the oil is hot. So what I'll be doing right now is putting in the pieces, and when they get golden brown, say about 3 minutes on each side, I'll take them out and put in a pan. Then I'll do the Escovitch marinade, or the Escovitch salt, which is thrown over the fish after they are fried. So I'll start frying now. I'll be using this spoon to turn them. This oil is very hot. Whenever you're doing this thing, always make sure that you do real safety. It goes for all cooking anyway, but when frying fish or frying anything with hot temperature, make sure that you are doing it real safely. So the oil can get set on fire, or the pot can fall off and could start a fire. Okay. These pieces were marinated in the previous video. So all I'm doing right now is frying them. And it's raining in cats and dogs outside, so if you hear any banging sounds, that's the rain hitting on the windows. My birthday is a rainy day. I think that's good luck. Looking good. They're looking wonderful. See the colors? Wonderful color. And I know I marinated them for 1 hour. That will make them taste really delicious. Okay, I'll get back to you after all these pieces are fried. Okay, I've finished frying the fish. This is it. Looking good. Excellent looking fish. Now in that pot, I have a little oil and some vinegar. Also some pimento, whole pimento seeds. Alright. Some people call it allspice. And it's simmering in the oil and vinegar. Now I'll be putting in some cut up onion, cut up bell pepper, some julienne carrot, and then I'll be dashing just a pinch of salt and a little black pepper on that, and that will be the pickle, the Escovitch pickle for that fish. Alright, so I'll start now. First the carrot, as it is the hardest. You just want it to be moderately softened. You don't want it to be soggy. Okay. Then the onion, multicolored bell pepper, smells wonderful. After this is finished, you just pour it on top of the fish and decorate it accordingly, if you so wish. I'll cut up some Scotch bonnet pepper, just a few little pieces on it for the flavor. Now I'll put a pinch of salt and black pepper mixed up. The 2 pinch. Mix them up. be back. I'll be back when this is finished and I'm pouring it on the fish. Okay, I'll be pouring on the Escovitch pickle on the fish right now. How wonderful it looks. Nice and lovely. How wonderful. So this is the Escovitch fish. Escovitch kingfish. And it's looking quite magnificent. I just want to expose some of the fish. How wonderful it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.